Have you ever met a dog that's more like a ferocious lion than a snug little puppy? Today, we're diving into the unbelievable world of a killer Chihuahua that's been causing quite a stir. Imagine a dog so fierce, anyone who dares get too close ends up running for the hills. Why would a tiny Chihuahua behave this way? And what can be done about it? Stay tuned as we uncover the story of this pint-sized protector with a lion-sized attitude. Now let's set the scene. Picture a quiet neighborhood, peaceful and serene, until you hear the unexpected sound of a tiny growl. Meet Tekka, the Chihuahua with a reputation that precedes him. Owners often describe Chihuahuas as feisty and brave, but Tekka takes it to a whole new level. But first, let's understand why Chihuahuas, in general, might show aggressive behavior. Experts say it's often due to fear, the need to protect their territory, or even lack of socialization. Now back to Tekka. His owners say he wasn't always this way. As a puppy, Tekka was gentle and friendly, but things changed dramatically after a particularly scary incident with a larger dog. Since then, Tekka sees every visitor as a potential threat. Let's hear from a couple of Tekka's bravest challengers. First, we have the mailman, who's developed an elaborate dance to avoid Tekka's wrath while delivering mail. Next, the pizza delivery person shares their strategy of distraction with treats to make a safe delivery. But why focus on this tiny terror? Tekka's story isn't just about his antics. It's a cautionary tale about understanding and addressing the root causes of aggressive behavior in dogs. The turning point came when Tekka's owners realized they needed help. Doctor, an animal behaviorist, who introduces us to the process of rehabilitating an aggressive dog. Step 1 is identifying triggers. For Tekka, it was strangers coming too close to his territory. Step 2 involves exposure therapy, gradually acclimating Tekka to new people in a controlled environment. The doctor also emphasizes the importance of positive reinforcement, rewarding Tekka for calm behavior rather than punishment for aggression. Progress didn't happen overnight, but with patience and consistency, Tekka began to show signs of improvement. Let's see a before and after comparison, showcasing Tekka's transformation. You might be wondering, what's the takeaway from Tekka's tale? It highlights the importance of proper training, socialization, and most importantly, understanding and patience in correcting aggressive behavior in dogs. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever dealt with an aggressive pet? And if so, how did you handle it? Drop your stories and strategies in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing pet stories like this one. Your support helps us bring these stories to life and share valuable lessons learned. In conclusion, Tekka's story reminds us that even the smallest among us can have the biggest personalities. But with love, patience, and the right approach, even the fiercest of protectors can learn to trust again. Thank you for joining us on this journey with Tekka, the Chihuahua with a big heart and an even bigger bark. Until next time, keep those tails wagging.